Today, I'm diving into the top things I wish I knew about affiliate marketing when I first started, and I'm challenging myself to share the most valuable tips in 5 minutes or less. I've been in the affiliate marketing game for a while, and if I'm being honest, it's been a wild ride. I've had my fair share of ups and downs, successes and failures. But looking back, I realized there are so many things I wish I knew when I first started. Affiliate marketing can be intimidating, especially for newcomers, but it's an incredible way to monetize your online presence and build a successful business. That's why I want to share my personal journey with you, and dive into the most important lessons I've learned along the way. One of the biggest misconceptions about affiliate marketing is that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. People think they can just sign up for a program, slap some links on their website, and voila! The money will start rolling in. But the truth is, it takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and patience. Another misconception is that affiliate marketing is only for tech-savvy people or those who have a huge following. But that's not true either. Anyone can get started with affiliate marketing, regardless of their experience level or audience size. The biggest challenge I faced when I started was unrealistic expectations. I thought I'd be making thousands of dollars within a few weeks, but the reality was much different. It took me months to see any significant income, and it was discouraging at times. Lack of guidance was another major obstacle. There's so much conflicting information out there, and it's hard to know what works and what doesn't. I also wish someone had told me that affiliate marketing is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person may not work for another, and it's crucial to find your own unique approach. I spent a lot of time trying to emulate others, but it wasn't until I found my own voice and style that I started to see real success. Choosing the right niche is crucial in affiliate marketing. It's easy to get caught up in promoting products that are popular or trendy, but if they're not aligned with your passions and values, you'll struggle to connect with your audience. Understanding your audience is also vital. You need to know what problems they're facing, what they're interested in, and what type of content they engage with. Leveraging social media effectively is another key strategy I wish I had known about earlier. It's not just about posting links and hoping people will buy, it's about building relationships, providing value, and creating a community around your brand. Consistency is key, and you need to be patient and persistent in your efforts. I remember the moment that changed my perspective on affiliate marketing. I was stuck in a rut, feeling frustrated and discouraged, and I was on the verge of giving up. But then I attended a webinar that shifted my mindset completely. It taught me the importance of focusing on providing value rather than just promoting products, and it was a game changer. After that, I started to see affiliate marketing in a new light. I realized it wasn't just about making money, it was about helping people, building a community, and creating a business that truly resonated with me. I started to take action, creating content that provided value, engaging with my audience, and promoting products that I truly believed in. And you know what? It worked. In affiliate marketing, persistence and learning are key. You'll face setbacks and failures, but it's how you respond that matters. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep pushing forward, and always be open to learning and improving. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. If you're new to affiliate marketing, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you want more tips and strategies, be sure to check out my other videos on affiliate marketing.